While the world is asleep and is lost deeply in their dreams, there's a breed of business owners who come together to turn their dreams into reality. While the world is at war, competing for getting their next client, there's a breed of business owners who come together to collaborate and generate their dream clients effortlessly. For the last 7 years, there's a group of business owners in Silicon Valley of India who've come together to build one team with one dream, the dream to get work done in a manner which is fun. Welcome to the BNI Champions, the world's largest and most prestigious BNI chapter with 7 years, 108 members, 25,353 referrals exchanged, 114 crores, 38 lakhs, 36,470 rupees of business done amongst members.
The Champions family to me is
a family,
my big sales army,
my strength,
the X factor in my business,
ATM machine for me, clutching,
my genie,
my success sutra.
BNI Champions chapter today is the world's largest chapter. But beyond the numbers and the extraordinary results we have produced, we are a team that is committed to being the biggest source of strength and support to each and every member as a person. This takes our role beyond business in each other's lives. It is this unconditional commitment which each member carries towards the fellow members that makes us a great team.
the joy, the pride and the honor that is associated with being a champion is something that has to be experienced, cannot be expressed.
Champions is the diamond of the BNI crown. This chapter has stood the test of the time and constantly innovated to grow. With every leadership team passing, the results of this chapter has only grown. It is their secret mantra which is key ingredient of their success.
The mantra is simple.
Culture plus connections
Equals cash.
For us at the Champions chapter, culture is everything. We have a roots to fruits philosophy. We understand that culture is our roots, and without having these strong roots, it would have not been possible for us to build such a powerful organization that has done more than 115 crores of business between members.
We ensure that our members are people who think beyond themselves. And we also ensure that our members are people who get a high out of making a difference to our fellow member.
We ensure that we have fun together. Our chapter meeting format is crisp yet creative. We have monthly social programs wherein we involve the families of our members, which create a deeper connect amongst our members.
Our culture is more about celebrating the success of each other and being a true team. There is no one hero. We are a team of heroes who come together and create a powerful connection of networks.
BNI Champions has a fantastic culture. They have a culture of ownership and collective responsibility. The proof of this is in the number of director consultants that the BNI Champions has given the Bangalore region. The chapter has the maximum number of director consultants in the chapter in BNI Bangalore. BNI Champions has not only grown their own chapter, but they have supported and grown the BNI Bangalore region.
Being a team of 108 members, with each member being an expert with a high repute in their respective business domain, we know the power, the potential we carry.
Everywhere we go, people ask us, 108 members, how do you manage such a large chapter? Is it effective managing such a large chapter? The truth is, the more is the merrier. We have seen with 108 members, we have become more effective, and with the sphere of influence and reach among the members has increased tremendously.
BNI Champions is the pride of BNI India and BNI Bangalore. These guys took a team of 17 members when they first got started and grew it to becoming the world's largest chapter with 112 plus members. What a fantastic achievement. True to their name, they are truly the champions of the world. This team imbibes the philosophy of givers gain. Their members have fun. They also make it very efficient and effective for their members to make money. We are so proud of this team and we wish them all success. Thank you BNI Champions for putting BNI India and BNI Bangalore on the map of the world. We are so proud of you. Thank you and wish you all the best.
As a chapter, we constantly work on initiatives which can tap into the potential of each member to add value to our fellow members. Though we stick to the basics, we add the Champions flavor to the basics.
At Champions, we don't just do one-to-ones amongst members. We do meaningful one-to-ones which lead to connections being made immediately for each other members' business. We don't just pass referrals connecting members to their potential clients. We go that extra mile to be the salesman for our fellow members from contact to contract.
We have special teams which serves the chapter members like a referral maximizer team, which ensures that every member's contact base is visible to fellow members so that connections can be made very easily. We have Money Spinners team, which ensures that every member generates business and makes a lot of money.
We are a dream machine. We derive our high when we see our members fulfill their dreams. Members making more money, after all, is what this boils down to. And our purpose is to use this vehicle of BNI, fuel it with the pride and culture of the champions, and to ensure that every member becomes a true champion, both in his or her business and life.
I have been in the BNI Champions chapter for more than 5 years. With every passing year, the business I have received has only been multiplied. This experience for me has been equivalent from growing from a small plant to a big tree. And I have seen this happen with every member who has put continuous faith in BNI and have been a member for more than 3 years. With time, trust grows, and with trust, results grow.
We have done 110 crores of business for the members in the chapter till date for the last 7 years. Our hunger has increased multifolded and our dreams has gone bigger. We strongly believe if team works, dreams work. Now, our mission is to generate 100 crores of business in a year for the chapter, and we keep growing this number consistently.
We value the fact that each member of the chapter leaves home every Thursday morning with a dream. And our commitment as a team is to fulfill that dream. Our commitment as a team is to be a dream team.
I, from the bottom of my heart, commit to myself and my fellow champions, to be a farmer, to be a role model, to be positive, to go green, to play as a team. Culture is my roots. Creating connections is my actions. And cash is my fruits. I am a champion.
I am proud to be a champion.
I am proud to be a champion.
I am proud to be a champion.
Proud to be a champion. Proud to be a champion.
We are proud to be champions.
BNI Champions, the world's largest and most prestigious BNI chapter. One team, one dream.